let's go. This is the first part going down here. Going to be. Oh, I did not see that. I'm gonna have to. I did not see that. That was purely my fault. It has a high center of gravity. Just do that. Get in. What the hell did I just do?
Dan, do you want meatballs, chips and peas,
Yes, mother.
or chicken key, haven't it? Chips and peas. Hang on.
Whatever, whoever likes. I don't know.
He doesn't mind. He'll either have.
That was my mother asking what I wanted for dinner. So, yeah, we'll just get back to this video. Climbing, crawling, crawling, and climbing again. Climbing a wee bit more. So the first person view. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this looks cool. That looks cool, man. Oh, I wasn't looking what I was doing then. Forgive myself for crying. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Up, 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 and away! Made it. Get in. Yeah, so far, gonna be it's been doing pretty well. Now it's a bit of a cliff, as I'm gonna call it. It is a small cliff. That is what it is. Let's just see if it can. Oh. Okay. Oh no, that's going the wrong way. I don't want it to go down there. Gonna go this way. Come on. Bit more momentum, maybe. Nah, it just wants to go over that way all the time. So, nah, I can't do that. Can't do this. No, can't. I have to go back and then go up here. Now I'm pretty sure like one of the bigger trucks in the game could have done that. Like the Sanking, which is the Ford F-250, or the Carrion Rebel, which is the Toyota Hilux. But that's purely because they are proper off-roaders. They're not low, like little low slowing SUVs like this is. Oh, it's ridged now. Does have quite a big bonnet though, this thing does. So it makes it quite large and cumbersome. Made it! Just on top of the sunrise, I guess. Let's just see. Right, can you get up these steps without any fuss? Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, I think that might get... We might need to reposition it slightly. Maybe even take a different way up there. Let's just back it up over here. Drive it up here. Nah, because it's such a wide truck, it can't get down through there. Okay, I'll go get... Oh, I took the headlight out. Because I couldn't be bothered to do things properly. Oh, would you look at that? It's starting to rain. That's going to make it even more of a challenge. Start heading down the mountain now. The brakes, I think, on this, I think they're pretty good. I did say think, note that. Oh yeah, they're not bad, yeah. Yeah, they're alright. I mean, it is starting to rain on the game right now, so, like, in the dry, if they're good enough, if they're good like that, imagine how good they are in the dry, on tarmac. It'd be amazing, really, isn't it? But yeah, if you go down this side of Mount Chiliad, the best way to go when you hit these paths is left. Take the path on the left-hand side. Okay. Oh god, what have I just done? I have just messed it up. It's fine. Yeah, okay, so it's shedded weight. That's all it's done. Shedded a bit of weight. Let's make our way back up here. I think I might have damaged one of the wheels in that roll, so I might have to repair it again. Let's just climb back up this slope because we missed out all the off-roading parts. Because Daniel decided it would be good to try something that he knew he couldn't do. Yeah, you're right, Franklin. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, right, that didn't work. There we are. Let's keep going, and let's not do what I just did. Let's go the proper way down. Yeah. How much easier was that? Splendid.